In this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable parental controls on the Google Play Store. Parental controls allow you to restrict the apps, games, movies, TV shows, and other content that can be downloaded or purchased from the Play Store. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Once the Play Store is open, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu, scroll down and select Settings. Now in Settings, tap on Family. Here you'll find Content Restrictions, which is where the parental control settings are located. As you can see, Content Restrictions is currently showing off. Tap Content Restrictions. This takes us to the Content Restrictions screen. At the top, you'll see parental controls are off along with a switch. To enable parental controls, turn this switch on. Google Play will now ask you to create a content pin. This pin will be required to change the parental control settings later. Enter a pin. Make sure you remember this pin because you'll need it whenever you want to modify or disable the parental controls. Once you've entered the pin, confirm it if prompted. Parental controls are now enabled. Now we can set restrictions for different types of content. Under apps and games, you'll see several age ratings. You can allow content rated 3 plus, 7 plus, 12 plus, 16 plus, or 18 plus. There's also an allow all option, which is the least restrictive setting. For example, if I select 12 plus, Google Play will restrict apps and games with ratings above that level. I'll select 12 plus, then you can just tap save. After that, the setting will be applied. The important thing to understand here is that these restrictions are based on the content ratings used by Google Play. Now let's go back and look at the book section. Tap Books. Here you'll see an option called Restrict Sexually Explicit Books. If you want to restrict this type of content, simply check the box. Google Play displays a message explaining that parental controls restrict access to sexually explicit books in Google Play. Tap Got it to close the message. The restriction is now enabled. Tap Save to apply the setting. And that's how you can enable or disable parental controls on the Google Play Store. As you can see, the process is quite simple. You can enable parental controls, create a PIN, restrict apps and games according to age ratings, and restrict sexually explicit books. And when you no longer need the restrictions, you can return to content restrictions and turn parental controls off. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.